it's me, Sarah, Magic Makeup. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here again. And welcome if you are new. A very, very special thank you if you decide to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And if you do, please don't forget to click the bell as well so you don't miss any of my new videos. Speaking of which, I'm releasing a new video every day until Halloween. So if you've missed all the previous ones, make sure you check them out and come back tomorrow for another tutorial. Today, for once, I decided to do something pretty, I hope, and not something super scary. I hope you will like it. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial and I will see you at the end. My desk is already messy. I don't like it. I will moisturize because I'm dry. I'm using a new moisturizer because I finished my favorite one. Where is my moisturizer? And it's really good actually, I really love it. It's by Antipodes and it's from New Zealand and it's called Vanilla Pod Hydrating Day Cream. Really good. If you are interested, I will learn to speak English. I promise one day. I will put a link to this product and all the products that I'm using in the video description down below. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up and put on this cream. I'm excited, I don't know why. Alright, calm down. No, this is not a primer, so you don't need to put a shit ton. I'm hyper. I haven't been hyper in a long time, guys. I'm hyper! Ah, it smells good. I love it. So now I will drink. Sorry. I'm gonna put on a primer on my face and on my chest because I want to put on some foundation here as well and some glitter. So the primer is going to help all of that stay longer on my face and body. I put way too much. I don't know how much you're supposed to put. I'm so hyper. Now, before I put on the foundation, I want to use this product. It's called Glow Mon Amour, highlighting drops, and I'm gonna put it everywhere because I'm hoping it's gonna give the finished look a golden and like very bright and royal finish. I'm hoping. I don't know if it's gonna work, but yeah, I just want to use the product. So I'm gonna put it on my face and on my chest, shoulders. Okay. Oh god. I'm gonna put a lot on the chest because I can. I love the finish it gives you. Makes you look like, I don't know, like you have a really soft and glowing skin, I guess. But I think with the foundation it's gonna disappear. But I have a little something up my sleeve in case it doesn't work. I have this product that I just got and it's a golden powder. So I'm keeping it for last, just in case I don't glow enough. So now is time for a foundation. I'm using a liquid foundation and I will apply it with a beauty blender. And there's a plane, so it's noisy, sorry. Maybe I will not use a beauty blender. Maybe I could use this brush that I also like using. I'm gonna try to use this one instead of a beauty blender because it's really easy to apply here, especially. I'm gonna go to my music therapy playlist. Not that I need a therapy, but I call it music therapy because it makes me happy. I have 18 hours of music on this playlist. And the first one I clicked on is Happy. Yeah, happy. Oh, I already finished my tea. Alright, I'm going to fix my eyebrows. I brush them and then I put a little bit of eyeshadow in the areas that don't grow hair anymore. I'm gonna fill in the holes with I don't really know what color it is. It's kind of a brown gray eyeshadow. Looks like this. But I mean, you're gonna use the color that you need for your eyebrows, and perhaps you're not like me, your eyebrows actually grow. Good for you. It's time for contouring and I'm using this little palette here to sculpt my face into a better one. Just kidding. You don't need makeup to look pretty. You are beautiful and don't let anyone let you think differently. Ever. Honestly. Really. I mean it. Contouring. I'm gonna sculpt my cheekbones and I need a brush. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it with my fingers. It could be a cool challenge, but I think Nikki Tutorials already did it, so it lost all the excitement. Stop talking, Sarah. Do the couture. My brush, no, my mirror, I mean. God, I'm excited. Okay, I'm now going to use a blush. Time for highlight. I will use something golden, so either this light one or this darker one, but I don't know which one. This is not helping much. I think I will use both. It solves the problem. We'll start with the dark one and then put on the lighter one on top. I have so many brushes now and I can't find one that I want. It's a very philosophical question. Having too many things is not good. It means you don't really know, you don't really value them, and you don't really want them anymore. So the less you have, the happier you are. Today's philosophical lesson by Sarah Magic Makeup. Anyway, alright. Highlight! Fuck you, Sarah. Stop talking. Sorry if this video is weird. Alright, so because I'm gonna be a queen, I want to glow. I want to glow, yes. I'm gonna put some on the forehead. That's right. It doesn't really make sense that I'm putting it on my forehead because I just realized I'm gonna be wearing a wig and my hair is gonna be covering it. Oh well, for the sake of glowing. And now I'm going to apply the lighter highlighter just because I couldn't pick one. Because I think I actually prefer the lighter one. Yes! Yes! So let's move on to the other eye. I will start by applying a primer so that all the pigments of my eyeshadows are very, very vibrant and also last longer. Okay, now I'm gonna shape the eye with a black eyeliner, and this is a very difficult step for me because my hands shake and I'm not very good with an eyeliner, so I'm not gonna talk at all, okay? Alright, now I'm going to go over that line with black paint. Oh no. Good. Yay! I'm going to blend in some black eyeshadow here to have a nice gradient. I think I'm done with the upper lid, not lip, but lid. Now for the bottom lip, lid, I'm going to start with coal and I will put it on my waterline. I will take some of that primer I used earlier and put it in the inner corner, in the inner corner, because then I'm going to put some of that gold eyeshadow, but on the inner corner and the down inner corner. Oh my god. And now with my eyeliner, I think I used this one for the bottom, I'm not sure. Going to trace the bottom eyeliner. Eyeline. I'm going to use a detail brush and black paint and go over the line, especially here in the inner corner. In the inner corner. In the inner corner. I just want to add a little Egyptian symbol here under my eye. I will use this eyeliner here. It's a little small, but I like it. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna maybe add some gold over it. Alright, so for the gold line, I'm using water activated gold and a detail brush. And I'm not gonna put it over, but under. Nothing more, just this. So let's put on the lashes now. I'm going to put on my beautiful lashes. Okay, I'm done with the eyes, and now let's move on to the lips. It's gonna be very simple and nude lipstick. Sometimes less is more, is that what people say? Less is more? I guess. Simple things are most of the time the best. Not that the eye makeup is simple, but you know what I mean. Will turn me on. Okay, last touch. I need a golden eyeshadow. So I had one, but I don't know where my palette is. Is this one? Maybe. And then with my finger, I will put a little bit more in the center here. Put some more on the cupid's bow. I'm gonna put on my wig. So this is the wig I have. I have made a little headdress. A very simple headdress. I wanted to make it with warbler initially, but I didn't have time, so I used a headband and paper and I painted it. I made a cobra headband actually. Perfect. I have a couple thingies also that I want to add. So I don't know exactly what they're supposed to be. And I thought they looked a little bit Egyptian and cool and have the right colors. And so I'm gonna try and find a way to put them here like this. It look cool, right? And I'm gonna do it off camera because I don't really know how to do it yet. So it was actually super easy to put these on. You know, I just attached them to the wig. And now I will put on my headdress. Feels so powerful right now. Yes. Alright, so now, be serious. The question is, what do I do about my chest? Am I gonna paint some sort of cloth or not? I'm gonna give it a thought off camera. Alright, so I've made up my mind. I am going to add some sort of dress. It's gonna be super simple. It's just to give you an idea of what the final look would look like if you were wearing a costume. I'm gonna paint a white dress with I think a gold color or just gold sleeves. I'm not sure yet, but I'm starting with white. So I will have, you know what, I'm gonna start with the gold. Sorry. This is just to help me know where the dress starts. Alright, now white. I will give some details to the dress, but nothing too crazy. Just some folds and shadows, and then I will be finished. Okay, so I added some detail. Am I filming? Yes, sorry. I added some detail on this side, and I'm gonna do exactly the same on the other side. I'm starting with gold paint and a flat brush, and I'm going to create the what is it called? Straps, I guess. I'm gonna mix these two here. Now with a black eyeliner, I'm gonna outline the shape of my straps. No! Okay. Now I will highlight with white paint. I will add a little shadow here between the straps and the dress. I use this brown, kind of brown, gray-ish. Alright, and now for the folds on the dress. I hope you guys can see them. This is so bright I cannot see them on the camera screen, but they are definitely there. I'm using a light grey eyeshadow, this color here, and an angle brush, and I'm just gonna brush like this up to create folds. And now I will highlight those grey lines with white paint. There you go. I just want to add a thin, I believe, black line on the edge of the dress so it looks a bit more real, and I will be finished. Okay, I think I'm finished. Yeah. Guys, I almost forgot the most important part, the glowing. I'm going to put all of this, not all of it, but some of this golden powder on my shoulders and perhaps here a little bit. Oh, it's so beautiful. It smells like vanilla. I don't know if you guys can see. It is beautiful. And the smell. Beautiful. It smells really, really good. Well, that's it guys, I am finished. This was so fun, so much easier than what I usually do for Halloween, and it's a good change for once to do something that is not taking me 8 hours. And I know that a lot of you actually don't want to look creepy for Halloween but just want to dress up and have fun at a costume party. And I think Egyptians, queens, like Cleopatra inspired makeups are still super popular for Halloween, so I hope this makeup will help you. And if you do this on yourself, please tag me or send me a photo, or I don't know, just connect with me on here or on Instagram, because I would love, love, love to see your look. There is a train, so I can't talk. This is a long ass train. Sorry. And now I'm burping. Sorry about that. I'm going to post the picture of my next makeup in just a few hours on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram yet, please do it and join my Instagram family. See you tomorrow. Thank you again for watching. Thank you very much. I'm gonna change into my normal self now.